Look at that.
Oh, I see. It's solid.
It's solid.
It was 4 degrees this morning.
Sap season came a little early.
Make, fix, grow, cook. GardenFork.
You want to go out? Go on, go. I thought you might want to see what it's like the day in and day out of collecting sap, which means a lot of carrying stuff. It was 4 degrees when we woke up this morning, so these are buckets that I just washed. Ideally, you will wash your buckets at the end of the sap season. Learn from me. It's a lot to learn from Eric. A lot of what not to do. So I haven't looked in my sap shed for a while. It's kind of become a dumping ground, so when I open this, don't be appalled. Oh my. Okay, a little clutter, but gotta get that tank out of there. Where's that valve? Don't know. I took that off to drain it, but where did I put it? Could you tell me? This is Sap Evaporator number 3, which is upside down. This is number 2, which we will start boiling with this year, and then I'm going to work on this one. Oh, look at that. How convenient. You want to go back inside? It's kind of cold out. Penny, you want to go inside? Come on, let's go. Go on. I'll be back in a little bit, all right? You stay here. They know when there's toast, when you leave toast in the toaster. So the camera operator happened to drive by.
Hi.
Hi, camera operator.
Hello. What a coincidence.
I bought some new rubber gloves because
They're blue.
my fingers turned purple the other day. I pulled out the ice. I pulled the ice out of these buckets last weekend, and then I had to go back down to New York. So I have concentrated sap in here plus new sap. Look at that.
Oh, I see. It's solid.
It's solid.
The old and the new combined, huh? Wow. It was 4 degrees this morning.
Yeah, I was wondering about whether basically I have to go back to New York City tonight. So I have like a couple hours here, and I thought, let's just go look. But it was 4 degrees last night, and this is rock solid. So, all right, so I'm gonna collect these buckets and put new buckets underneath these lids. That's what we're gonna do today.
All right.
I got the tank all ready, and I got everything all ready, and then weather.
Happens.
Weather happens. I have a healthy respect for weather. Yeah.
What a surprise.
These are my best trees. They're not mine. It's Chip and Marty's trees. But the sun hits the field right here. These roots are all in this hay, not hay, what's this called? Grass.
Leaves.
And the roots, the whole tree warms up much faster than the trees that are in the woods. So your trees in the sun will run earlier than your trees in the shade. This is so exciting, maple syrup. I don't know, I mean, I get up in the morning and I'm like, oh, I gotta go do that. But then once I'm doing it, I like it.
It's beautiful out.
And it's beautiful out. It was 4 degrees and now it's beautiful. And
It's like 20 now.
if you can wake up and walk and talk, you got nothing to complain about.
And blue sky.
Yeah. it's hard to drive this one-handed, so, oops.
So you've returned.
Kind of heavy.
That one's not full.
Not nearly as full. Interesting, just from one side of the tree to the other and where you drill the hole. Polaris might need to send us a new quad.
We gotta get up the hill.
Hello, Polaris.
That's a better rock.
No shortage of rocks here. Beautiful stone walls in the woods here. You just think about the amount of work it took. They did that by hand. They didn't have a excavator or a John Deere tractor, you know?
How full's that one?
It's about half full.
Oh yeah. Want some help?
I don't think I can fit it in.
I feel like I've seen this episode before.
Yeah. Something happened at collecting sap once. I'll link to that at the end of this.
That's worth seeing.
All right, let's see if this will roll. I'm all about, let's try this and see what happens. This is one of those times.
I'm gonna be walking.
I didn't hit the tool cart that time. You weren't here for that, but I hit that.
It's way over there. How'd you do that?
I couldn't find the brake and I was running the camera, and there's a whole video about that. I built that thing. This is really cold, so a couple of days of letting this cool. There's a fine line between ice and sap. You like ice because it removes water and you concentrate your sugars, which is a beautiful thing. Another beautiful thing is my tool cart that I modded and hacked and made really cool, so.
And then ran over?
Yeah, I hit it. There's a dent in it now. But there's a video right here that shows you all about that and the epic sap collection mishap as well. I made a little playlist,
Sad.
couple videos for you.
Sad sap.
But we're gonna be happy because we're gonna be together more. I'm gonna see you in those videos right there.
All right.